family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be sharing a heartwarming moment of Uma Khumalo Nomawakhe. Thobile Khumalo, one of the wives of Musa Mseleku, took to social media to share a series of heartwarming pictures from a special day spent with her mother. The Uthandones Thembu star, known for her grace and poise, gave fans a glimpse into her cherished bond with her mother, showcasing love, gratitude, and appreciation. In the photos, Thobile can be seen beaming with happiness alongside her mother. The Jew appeared radiant in their stylized outfit. The images quickly got attention from her followers, who flooded the comment section with admiration and praise. Many commented Thobile for honoring her mother, emphasizing the importance of family and celebrating loved ones while they are still present. Thobile's deep appreciation for family has always been evident, both on and off the screen. As one of Musa Mseleku's wives, she has often spoken about the values of love and respect in a polygamous setting. However, her recent post highlights the special place her mother holds in her heart. The reality TV personality did not specify the occasion, but her heartfelt caption suggested it was a meaningful and joyous day. Fans appreciated her openness in sharing these personal moments, reinforcing her reputation as a humble and loving person. Through this beautiful image, Thobile Khumalo reminded everyone of the significance of family, leaving her followers inspired to celebrate and cherish their own loved ones. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.